Chris Barrow from TNW Firearms. This is the TNW Aero survival rifle. It's a multi-caliber, pistol caliber Glock shooting rifle. So the barrel just comes right off. Fits inside any backpack. Requires no tools to change out calibers. You can change the bolt, the barrel, and then for sometimes the lower. And you can go from 9, 40, 45, 37 SIG, 10 millimeter, and now 22.
Nice. What's the MSRP?
It is $829.
And there's different barrel lengths available, correct?
Yep, there's the pistol barrel length and also an 18 and a 16 inch length.